What, Downpipe have you down? Not anymore. Check out the new Turbo Downpipe Mockup kit from Stainless Headers Manufacturing. You can create the perfect downpipe configuration right there at your location using our mockup kit. Here's how it works. Precisely locate the turbo and wastegate flange. Position the ideal location for that flex or slip joint. Finish off the design to marry up to your undercar exhaust. Send your mock-up back to Stainless Headers and put our craftsmen to work for you. From there, we incorporate our unique rapid fixturing process to fabricate and weld an out-of-the-box solution for your turbo downpipe challenge. Be one of the first to see more of this process at the SEMA show next week in the new products showcase, or see us at our booth 23619.